Hi, this is the demo of our Paytunes application. So right now the phone that you are seeing, it has Paytunes installed in it. I will show you, like, here is the Paytunes application and you can see it has got 11 points. So we'll take you through the flow of what this application does. So it's a new medium of ad delivery. Let's see what happens when I receive a call on this number. So I am going to call on this phone from another number. So what Paytunes did, it replaced the normal ringtone of this phone with an ad jingle. So let's see what happens when I call again on this number. So now it's an other ad, the ad of Shopclue. Let's see what happens when I pick this call up. Now I have picked up this call and let's assume I am talking on this call for some time. So now that I have answered the call for more than 15 seconds, I disconnect the call. Let's get back to the application Paytunes and see. So here I had 11 points earlier. Now the count has increased to 12. So I've got one more reward point on this application. So you would ask that what would be the use of these collected reward points on this phone. So the thing is that these collected reward points can actually be redeemed for a mobile recharges or postpaid bill payments. So if a user has, say, 30 points on their phone, so they can actually redeem for 10 rupees and more. Equivalently, whatever be the collected points on their phone, they can have a recharge of equivalent amount. So if I press this, a request from my side will be generated and the user will get a recharge point. So this way, on every received call, Paytunes replaces the ringtones of the phone with ad jingles, and in returns, if the user is following some conditions, like if the user is picking up the call after 8 seconds and the user is answering the call for more than 15 seconds, in those cases the user gets a reward point, provided the ringtone, the volume of the phone is also not zero. I mean, the phone is not on silent. So based on these criteria, the user keeps on collecting these reward points on their phone, and they can redeem for free recharges. Thank you.